very sentence stuck with me throughout this journey. First year was a roller coaster ride. You fall, you pick up yourself, and you proceed. The key is to never stop. Fast forward to the day of result, even a score of 441 didn't clench me. It didn't satisfy me. As the journey began, it was always about being a very good MBBS doctor and nothing more. But as clinics began, it set my belly into fire. And it not just stopped yet. Every single day I postings in my second year was a quest. It was the questions like how, why, and when often stuck. Asking to answers to the question was always what I did. You all should do it too. Because the key to becoming a clinician is attending the postings. You all learn a lot and you know it better as you go to the postings. No question is ever silly. Every single one will help you make a better clinician. Interacting with the patients during these days made me inquisitive, and that's how the journey begins to being a PG doctor. Learning is not only from books. It is still afresh for me watching movie Pink, the casting of Priyanka Chopra, of very one pleasant Monday afternoon when lecture of immunodeficiency was conducted by the microbiology department. To answer among hundreds the case of skin was a dopamine surge. It is a pleasure to answer. You see, learning is a two-way process, and you all can learn from any aspect. For me, it was movies, to seeing cases. Learning is an art. You just need to see around and absorb the best in it. Answer to the questions in lectures. Keep yourself busy in the two-way learning. You see, we all remember the wrongs more than rights. So it is always better to answer. Never hesitate. 6 months into lockdown, that was a period of blessing in disguise. Credits to my parents to motivate me to learn more during this period. A period of uncertainty. All you can do is to give your best. A dream to pursue MD began with a dream to be Delhi as my final destination. You see, once you start dreaming, you work hard. You start manifesting it. Little by little, each day, you grow. A challenge from a friend. Why not any central institute? Why stop at Delhi? Just something that was never in my checklist and it is manifesting today. Final exam day, the day where it was going to be the biggest opportunity of all time. All pressure built up. A 5-digit rank to be in this college was just something which I could not digest myself. Hard work was put even back then, but there was no guidance as such. Fear was at the peak on the day of exam. But with your family's support, constant belief that will be on the other side of all these hardships, with your friends' certainty was something that overcome even the fear. This journey, from a 5-digit rank to a rank of 34. If you would ask me this in my first year, was this possible? I would say a big no. But there's only one thing you can do. Work hard each day. It is about consistency. 365 days for 5 years will definitely help you land in a better place. Much better than mine. You all should aim for AIIMS Delhi because it is even possible. It is only a product of consistency. So that I'm standing here today. I don't have any other secret ingredient. It is just hard work. The D's that help me work like Chamar, dreaming high, being determined, discipline. Discipline is something that you need to learn because it is a journey of uncertainty. 5 years. Even today, the date of NEET was very uncertain. 12 hours before the exam, the NEET got postponed with no clear date. It is never be, but these are things which will happen in near future. So always be prepared. Give your best before the D-Day. So you won't hesitate for the exam day. One very important message is never hesitate to ask your seniors because they have been through this journey. For myself, I have asked hundreds of questions to my seniors, so much that they were even irritated by my questions, but never stop. Because it is learning. They have been here. They have been through the same journey. So never hesitate to ask anything. When I look back, pushing myself an extra mile brought me on the other side. Life is all about this extra mile. Just like your extra mile, another rep in your gym, it is one module a day. Things I would recommend to the first year students are: do not watch any platform now. You all are not made for this. Read the textbooks because you will explore things. Attend the dissection hall. You will explore the nerves. The nerves which will even make you humorous for the rest of your life. Attend those biochemistry labs because what you see is what you learn. Read textbooks. Attend the dissection hall. Attend lectures. Keep those weekly tests because no matter what, you'll always learn from it. The outcome is always learning. To the second years out there, hit the postings regularly. The message is, what you see is what you learn. Ask, examine, strive yourself for the extra knowledge. As a second year student, I felt nothing but pride to diagnose this case of skill. Introduce yourself to the world of quiz because you will see your competitors, you will learn, you will strive yourself to become that extra person because quiz is all about being inquisitive. And what is in the world of medicine that is not inquisitive? You learn every day. Every patient has its own story to tell. Always explore. I'll challenge yourself today to the second years out there. Read Robbins, Tripathi and Anant Narayan. It is a crisp recipe for success. I still remember Ghadale ma'am saying, why don't you all read Anant Narayan? It is such a beautiful book. It is truly one of the biggest reason for my success. For INICT, the second year itself is around 40% of weightage. A weightage so much that it will change your future. Why not invest your time reading those books? To the third year and final years out there, what you see is what you learn, but your eyes don't see what your mind doesn't know. So always read before the clinics and read after the clinics. Daily reading and watching video will set you up for your success. This is the period to start preparing for your entrance exam because you are exposed to the pre-clinical subjects that will create your base and help you get better each day. Your pre and paraclinical subjects are the ones that are going to help you excel. It is going to form a base for subjects like medicine, surgery. If you don't know the anatomy, you will keep exploring for the surgery. So always read your pre and paraclinical subjects. Revision to the interns out there. Revision is the only key to success. To see where you stand, giving grand tests is very important because this is your baseline. It is just going to improve each day. Never hesitate to give that GP. It is always better to start today. Hit yourself in the library, give those GPs, see where you stand, explore your mistakes, learn from those. The only difference between a rank holder and the 2000 rank is the volatility. If you revise yourself as many times as possible, you will reduce the volatility. You will excel. I have complete faith that this alumni will produce a single rank digit too. After all, our journey is all about saving lives and not just acing exam. Hope to see you on the other side soon. Because if I can, you all can too. Raide madam used to always say, and I quote, give your best and leave the rest to God. Thank you very much for having me here today. If you all have any other doubts, we'll attend. I'll personally try to attend every doubt of yours because seeing you all succeed will be my success too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.